doing? Welcome to our shop. This is Fiona from Sage Human Electronics, and here is my colleague Queenie.
Hi there, I am Queenie. Nice to meet you all.
In today's video, we're going to give you a quick introduction to our new items. The bass booster, the Pro mic, and finally the Talk Focus collection. We hope you find it interesting.
Okay, Fiona, before we start, can you explain who are new for this type of product and what is a Bluetooth FM transmitter in general?
Sure, almost all modern vehicles now come with stereo systems that can hook up to almost any smart device to play or stream music. For older vehicles, however, the story is a little different. Since many used vehicles were around before Bluetooth was a thing, they may lack any way, to connect it to a smart device, wireless or otherwise. This is where an FM transmitter is used for purchase. If you find yourself wanting to listen to your favorite music in your 1994 Mazda Miata, a Bluetooth FM transmitter will let you do just that and possibly more.
That's better. Now, moving on to this model right here. Can you please tell us what makes it different?
Well, this one has a few unique features you may not find it in other models on the market, which really help you to set apart from the competition.
Wow, first one is...
The most outstanding feature is the bass booster, which adds a heavy bass sound.
Yeah, indeed, sounds interesting. Now I would be able to dance to the beats in my car. Anything else?
You notice the big display screen? Right here.
Yeah, what about it?
While the bigger the screen, the more clearly the driver is able to see. And unlike most of the Bluetooth FM transmitters, it has ID3, which means it can display the name of the song.
Understood. What if I wanted it to be more hands-free? An idea?
Yeah, I think you're talking about the voice assistant here.
Yeah.
It's very simple. Just press and hold this dial button, and there you go. Siri and Google activated. It's not limited to these two only. There are a few more. This is just an example.
Okay. How much output for these two USB ports?
One is 2.4 and the other is 1N, so totally 3.4 ampere.
Exactly. I noticed the BT790 has a micro SD card and a aux port.
Yeah.
How much GB it will support?
32 gigabyte for the micro SD card.
So the aux port support line or layout?
Both, actually.
Great. And the Bluetooth version is 4.2.
Now we're way past that. Now our products are most equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, and there are some new items are even upgraded to 5.1. Oh, and for those of you who prefers a model that with last track memory to the exact second, this is it.
Okay, I think that's all we need to know. What about a BT790? If I owned an older car, I would surely purchase one for myself.
If you're looking out for an FM transmitter that has the most fast charging solutions, look no further. C69D.
It looks familiar.
Yes, it's actually an improved version of one of our ex-bestsellers in Europe and USA. That's our model C27.
Yeah.
Yep. What's different is it adds a bass booster here, and you can see there are two charging solutions for fast, quicker charger. That is PD 3.0 and QC 3.0.
The product itself seems very simple. It has all the functions we need.
Yes, actually you don't have to have a remote control to get every function, all thanks to this dial button here. It's multifunctional. So, like the previous BT7090, yeah, you just simply press B button to enjoy a heavier bass sound. And also it has Siri and Google Assistant, which can be quickly activated.
I see, but what What's the B stand for?
Actually, we have a series of B FM transmitters which features B buttons. It means bass booster. Once you press it, you will enjoy a heavier sound.
Okay. So the Bluetooth version is 5.0.
Yes, of course. The most recent models are going into that direction.
Okay, great. Fiona, look like this model is very different. Can you introduce?
Very observant you are, aren't you? Yes, this is actually one of our Pro Mic family. This is model BT10M.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's an improved version again for one of our best sellers before. It was called BT10, very popular in the USA and Europe. Now this one turns out to be a favorite in Walmart as well in USA.
Impressive. But why the different microphone design?
Yeah, it actually looks better and nicer with this square-shaped microphone actually, and that's also to avoid the aesthetic fatigue.
Good point. In the state of the hands-free package, we need something special and air-catching.
Yeah, BT10M has basically all you need. Frequency modulation here, CH, previous next track here, and volume up down, dual USB charging ports. And the most important is it has an external microphone which can be closer to the speaker, so the sound can be picked up better.
Okay. Here comes the question: how to use the Project Mic family product?
I've prepared a video for you, so let's just check it out.
Check out. Sometimes a bigger idea comes from to solve a very simple problem or by accident.
Yes.
So can you?
Yeah, now what I'm about to introduce to you is quality car accessories that can take your driving experience to another next level. That is our BT92.
Okay. What is a Talk Focus Plus?
That's a good question. It's actually the external unidirectional microphone is adopted to optimize your voice and to suppress other noises such as environment noises in the meantime. This way, the other end of the phone user will hear much more clearly when calling the driver.
Hang on. What is a tube-shaped thing?
Oh, that is an external microphone.
Okay. Do you mind tell us what is a unidirectional microphone?
Not at all. Unidirectional microphones are microphones that only pick up sound with high gain from a specific side or direction of the microphone.
Yes.
Thus, if a user is speaking to a unidirectional microphone, he must speak to the correct side, normally called the voice side of the microphone, in order to get good gain on the recording. This is in contrast to omnidirectional microphones, which pick up sound equally from all directions of the microphone.
Okay. That's why the microphone is facing to the user and only picks up the sound that's supposed to be heard by the other side of the phone.
Absolutely.
I noticed that there is a bass function. That is for bass booster.
Bingo. And you see the display screen is bigger compared to these models here?
Yeah.
And so is the digits. That's because BT92 is supposed to be placed on the dashboard.
Okay.
So the bigger the screen, the more clearly the driver is able to see.
Yes, but what if the sticker gets dirty? Can I have it washed?
Yeah, of course, it's totally reusable.
The rest of the features, I think there are 2 USB charging ports,
Yes.
including Q3.0, and there is micro SD
card.
Yeah. And also it can activate the Siri and Google Assistant.
Yep, and don't forget this model supports turn off FM transmission.
Well, what is the benefit of turn off the FM transmission?
Once the FM transmission is turned off, you will be able to listen to the radio shows on the car and from the car. Yeah. Do you like listening to the music during your road trips?
Definitely. Why?
Because now I call this model BT93 and we present you here, which was built around the idea of media player.
Looks very like MP3 player.
Well, we call it music tuner because as you can see, you can adjust bass or treble to your own music taste. For EQ, there are 7 options: natural, rock, pop, classic, soft, jazz, DBB. Besides, the classic and retro design adds elegance to your car interior.
Cool, I like it. How is the sound quality?
Well, you will be guaranteed a superior music experience because of the built-in music reprocessing algorithm. What's more, ground loop isolator embedded can improve the sound quality massively.
Those dancing spectrum is very nice. Can we customize the start-up screen?
Yes, thanks to the big TFT color for display, which is 1.8 inch, startup screen is totally customizable.
Okay. The rest of the stuff we can see, it can show the voltage of the car battery when power on, and the sound name when playing the music.
Correct.
Okay. There are also 2 USB ports for charging, including QC3.0, and this one is 1 ampere output. Also, it can read the USB disk.
Yeah.
So, how much GB each port?
Maximum 32.
Okay, and there is a TF card.
Yes.
It support.
Yes. It's same that it supports micro SD card. And for the GB, it's maximum 32 GB as well. And for your information, there is a 3.5mm aux jack for audio output.
Okay, great. Another bass booster product.
Yes, but not quite. This is our model BT94. It has the same external microphone of BT92 we just introduced. But what's different are the Type-C PD 3.0 that is 18 watts and extended pole.
Why extended pole?
Good question. After conducting a market research like we always do before launching new products, we found that the normal pole isn't just enough for the cars in Japan. And we really wanted to expand our business reach to this neighboring country. That is why BT94 is born. Right now we have quite a few business with these Japanese buyers lining up, discussing potential projects with us. And we're really looking forward to the day that the Japan market is looking and open for us.
Alright, any questions after watching our show? Write us today. Goodbye.
Bye.